still March.
It's too much.
Kenya and Hungary share a strong bond of friendship evidenced by the exchange of a number of high-level visits between our countries. These include the visit to Kenya by the President of Hungary in January 2022, visit by the Speaker of the Hungarian Parliament in March 2023, and last week we hosted the Minister for Agriculture of Hungary. It is in this spirit that Kenya is keen to open an embassy in Budapest to further strengthen these good relations, where we have exchanged views on the current state of our relationship and explored how we can strengthen and consolidate these relations between our two countries. We have deliberated on the key sectors of our relations, including trade and economic cooperation, agriculture and food security, education, environment and climate change, as well as regional and multilateral cooperation, among others. Ways of enhancing trade and investment, and shared ideas on new opportunities to improve the balance of trade between our two countries. I am pleased to note that there is a trade delegation accompanying the foreign minister, and they are meeting with the Kenyan businessmen and women to share on possible areas of partnership.
Era of dangers characterized by wars all around the world and an ever-growing threat of terror. And unfortunately, the African continent has been specially exposed to the growing threat of terror. And growing threat of terror is one of the most significant root causes of migration. So therefore, we in Hungary recognize and appreciate a lot of the role Kenya has been playing when it comes to the fight against terror and when it comes to taking care of refugees.